Hi guys, happy New Year's Eve. It's the last day of 2018. Today's video is gonna be super fun because basically my friend Kenna and I had zero plans for New Year's Eve. All of our friends are out of town and we honestly just wanted to get out and do something fun. Then I had a really genius idea, like why don't we just have a staycation and book a hotel room for a night and hang out, have like a spa night, watch the ball drop, have our own party. We can walk and like go out to dinner. This morning around 10 o'clock, Kenna and I booked a hotel for ourselves in Portland. We're super excited. It's a really cool hotel. We're taking you guys along with us on our adventure, our spontaneous New Year's Eve. I'm gonna go right now to pick her up. It's around 6 o'clock. We're gonna go to the hotel, get all ready because, you know, we worked out this morning and we're still no makeup on or anything. Moral of the story is if you don't have your own plans, make it happen. Honestly, spontaneity is the way to have fun. So Kenna and I just got here. That's the hotel. It's called High Low. You don't have to carry both of them. See, this ladies is what a good friend is for. Apparently we got a city view, so we want to know what this city view is gonna be. Oh, okay. We're 418. That's 411. This way. Oh, we're around the corner. Oh my god, it's us. Okay, cool. I always have problems with keys. Oh. You do. This is so nice. Oh, we have a little couch. Ooh.
Oh, look at the nice view of the food cart.
I guess it is a city view.
I think our car's
That's pretty
on the
cool.
other side.
I didn't even notice those were there. How exciting. Kenna's like, I'm ready for bed. We've had like the longest day. I think we should get ready. We should get ready and get food. And there's a restaurant downstairs, so we could just go downstairs. Oh, I want to see the bathroom. Oh, wait. Whoa. Oh, hello. Oh, haha. Ken and I brought a bath bomb today because we thought there was a bathtub. There's no bath.
It's a shower.
We're now unpacking and setting up our snacks. Kenna got chips and salsa, an entire bottle of Martinelli's, and we got rosemary crackers, the best cheese in the world. Kenna, I brought your little pig things because apparently my mom was like, it's the year of the pig. So I was like, okay. And then we got an assortment of crowns. I put it in a ponytail and it was wet, so now it's really cute. It's so weird to have your hair in a ponytail all day and then like not. And then it's like a little shark fin. Kenna has never wear a beauty blender before. That changes the whole consistency. It makes it so much better. Well, now your mind will be blown. Okay, we did the makeup. It's not my favorite, but we're gonna fix this. All right, let's do this. Pray for me. The hair is complete.
Oh, another good one. Doesn't this make you want to do like lyrical?
All right, Kenna's ready, I'm ready, and we only have one more thing to do. Oh, I like your earrings.
Thanks, our mom.
We saw that Cole and Sav posted the other half of their baby vlog, so we're gonna watch it, and then we're gonna take some pics, and then we're gonna go get food. This is insane. Oh my gosh, she's filming.
She looks so calm. I'm so impressed.
I know. We have to take pics with the 2019 one. Kenna looks adorable. Tell us where your outfit's from. Do an outfit of the day.
These are blunt stones.
Those are really cute. I want a pair of those.
This is from H&M and I have no idea where this top is from.
Mystery top. So cute. We love that.
Yeah.
We're gonna take pictures and then we're gonna get food. We watched the birth video and it was really good.
So
it was really
cute.
emotional and kind of made us want to have a kid. Low key.
Not now.
Not now. This is what I am wearing. It's from Urban Outfitters. I really like this dress. And then the boots are from Princess Polly. And I'm not wearing any jewelry because, yeah, this has a turtleneck, so you can't really do that. Oh my god, this is crazy. Next year's gonna be 2020.
You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest.
Isn't that what they do in all the single ladies? I want to take the last Polaroid of 2018.
We should make the last Polaroid be both of us. Is that possible?
Yeah, but how do we both take it? Well, I have 3 Polaroids, so we'll do one of you, one of me, and then try to take a selfie. 1, 2, 3. Well, hopefully that works. We're going downstairs. Harsh lighting. Yeah, we're going downstairs. We're gonna get food. We're hungry. It's like 8 o'clock. So we still have 4 hours left of the year. Kenna and I got our food. We got the same thing because we're twins. We got the guacamole bowl with chicken in it.
What a bliss. You make me understand this place.
Okay, this place is highly Instagrammable. Look at this. Look at this aesthetic. We got our dinner and now we're full and fulfilled and we're gonna find a movie and then watch the ball drop. I guess on the first try. Yay! It's a miracle.
Whatever you do, Kenna and I are warning you not to watch the movie Bird Box unless you're really into horror films. It has Sandra Bullock in it, so you think it's good, and then you get in and watch it, and it's actually terrifying.
It's a good movie, it's just not.
It ends well, but the whole process of getting to the ending is not enjoyable.
I might fall asleep.
You didn't have the coffee.
I know.
I had coffee at like literally 4 p.m. so I'm never going to bed.
Uh-oh.
All-nighter. I have a double chin.
I know.
This is not a great, not the best. I bought a Reese's one if you want it. We're watching, we found our show and we figured out how to angle the TV. And Kenna's freezing. It is a little cold. There's an hour left of 2018. Kenna and I are gonna pour our martinis. We're preparing. We're in deep into a really good documentary right now. It's a twist off, but it's really hard to twist off. You try it first. I told you, it is twist off. Doesn't it say twist off?
No, I'm pretty sure it's not a twist off.
Oh wait, yeah, you can do that.
That's gonna break
That's gonna break it. We need a better place to do it.
Oh my god.
This is too much of a blunt edge. I can't really think of anything else that would honestly open it. They probably have one downstairs, but I'm too lazy.
We get it brought to the room.
This could work. Oh my god, Kenna.
You get it?
This is really close. Oh my god, I'm literally opening it.
I'm so
Piece by
impressed.
piece.
Wow, I'm proud of you.
I'm sorry, little key. You're worn down. It was worth it. I'm
Get it?
so
Oh, you got
close.
that?
Oh my god, Kenna, it's gonna happen. I feel like we're getting burned. It's so close. Oh my god. Dun dun dun. Okay, one for you.
Early? Well, we still have an hour.
Yeah, we still have an hour to prepare. Okay, well now we can start.
Well, yeah, we gotta rash.
Well, I kind of want to finish the bottle of Martinelli's because I don't really want to take it home. So we can have our first cup and then our movie is over precisely with 20 minutes to spare. We'll be back. This movie is really good. If you guys want to know what we're watching, it's called Undefeated.
I love documentaries.
Me too. Okay, back to the show. Kenna's freezing. We have 12 minutes till the new year, 2019. Refill on the Martinelli's. Skirt. The time on the TV is different than the time on our phone.
It's a minute behind. Uh-oh.
Portland, Oregon, live time. I want the actual to the second.
Did you get it?
We did. Currently 11:55 with 42 seconds, 43, 44. What do you think is the best part of 2018? What was your highlight?
Everything. Going to college.
Yeah, you graduated and went to college.
Yeah.
You did a lot this year.
Good year.
I say the best thing, honestly, hitting 100,000 subscribers. That was
pretty
good. That was a pretty good highlight of this year. What else did I do? Moved into my first apartment. That's pretty cool. Went to Hawaii with my best friend. Went to Canada twice.
Oh, you had quite the year.
I had quite the year. An A+ year. Highly recommend. Want to do it again. Oh, and I traveled across country.
You traveled
so
across
much.
country?
Yeah, I went to Florida.
Oh yeah.
I've never been that far. Are there people out there?
Whoa, look at this guy. He's like on a skateboard thing
Let me see.
with a shiny jacket.
He's all shinied up. He's skirting into
Look at
2019.
these people are just calmly eating their food.
Literally, it's about to happen in 20 seconds and it says on there 43.
Well, we'll celebrate twice.
Okay, whatever. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Their official time now.
Okay.
Celebrating twice, even though they're 20 seconds behind ABC.
3, 2, 1.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Happy New Year!
Good morning. It is currently almost, it's 10. Morning. Good morning from Portland. We just watched the Rose Parade on TV, which was really cool. The floats there are amazing. Now I want to be a float builder. All right, it's time for our first face mask of the season. I'm doing the brightening mask.
Oh,
It's an interesting color, but it smells good, so that's hopeful. We're masked.
You look so cute. You should wear that out.
Oh yeah,
Oh, it's a
totally.
tan color.
Oh,
Let's see what it looks like. Oh.
it looks like makeup.
In a whole different way, you make me wanna live this life.
Goodbye, cute room. Thank you guys for watching our wonderful New Year's adventures. If you guys are ever bored and in need of fun, entertaining things to do, make your own plans, because you'll have fun.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't see